educated. Public schools, they're not equipped to work with these kinds of needs, so the kids will fall through the cracks and give up. And during these times, when they are without being in school, they're interested in life skills programs, which we provide, and we definitely need more. But some of what the life skill programs they like are how to open a bank account, cooking, sewing, changing a tire, how to purchase a home. But long-term, we need a non-institutionalized residential facility that could provide these barriers. There's one other important issue is that some lack the maturity to understand their exploitation and that they were a victim and that they are traumatized by it.
Got it. Thank you. And when it comes to funding, what are the least costly parts of completing the mission? And then if you could just follow up with what the most expensive parts, the least and the most costly parts of completing the mission of Escape to Peace.
Okay, well, the most costly would include the safe housing or permanent placement for minors. And then they need legal assistance so they understand their legal rights. And of course, the mental health and trauma care, which helps them understand what led up to their exploitation and the exploitation itself. The less costly are food, clothing, transportation, and toiletries.
Got it. We're going to talk a little bit about those specific needs here in a few minutes, but one other quick question. Do you have an example of a girl that you've provided services to that the process of Escape to Peace has been successful, and then that girl has come back to advocate for Escape to Peace? I would assume those would be your best advocates, but has that happened?
Yeah, we do. We have girls that are advocates. Many are still underage, so they're busy with babies and getting an education. They're not working at Escape to Peace, but they come back and they refer their friends. They continue to keep in touch, and we get together for bike rides and pickleball and of course our 6-foot distancing dinners. And they keep me up to date on their successes.
Gotcha. That's great. When you look forward, this is a final question. When you look forward, what do you think is the most critical need for Escape to Peace now?
Well, safety is definitely a priority, and we will continue to work with the prevention and awareness piece by working with our team of professionals to strengthen the economic support for women and families by continuing to provide resources so they can live a more full and productive life, creating less vulnerability. Here's a fact. There will be 500,000 babies born in the US this year that will be sexually abused before they turn 18 if nothing is done to prevent it. This can lead to years of anxiety, tension, anxiety attacks and phobias, and relationship issues. Our team of professionals are working to build a program to reduce these numbers and create support for younger age children with the continued trauma therapy we provide. We will also continue to work with each of our girls to help them get placed in a school that works for her, where she feels comfortable with the staff and other students. And this is not an easy job. Most will need a lot of help. We're working with a community partner to provide a comprehensive tutoring program.
That's terrific. Thank you very much and keep up your continued great work, Carol. Thank you.